Hi dear customer, now we are going to show you this button parts. The false metal button can pass the time shimmer needle detector or not. Now you can see I put some button here already. So let me put one line more. Okay, now let's see. The set time is 8 gray and 1.0. So now let me start the machine. Okay, you can see it has very smooth. Now I show you more. Okay, you can see. Okay, I take more. Also, you see, it's very smooth with a clay. Okay, if you need such parts with the high quality without the negative, you are welcome to contact us. We are QQ company in Guangzhou City. Thank you.